name is Alex, and I've always wanted to be a bird. Since the day I took my first step, I've always wondered what it would be like to fly. And then I made it my mission and dream to fly through the heavens. A bird is strong. A bird is unique. I hope one day to manifest all of these things. Some days, I'll go out to the sea and sit on a rock and just meditate. Some days, there's too much bird shit on the rocks, and I'll have to squat, but that's okay. A bird is a symbol of freedom. A bird is me, and I am a bird. Remember that movie Birdman? That movie's title is kind of similar to my situation with wanting to be a bird. You know what I mean?